When you live in Conway, Arkansas, you experience a climate that's as dynamic as the landscape. With hot, humid summers, cold winters, and frequent storms in between, the weather plays a big role in the lifespan and functionality of your home's exterior, especially your doors. If you're wondering whether it's time to replace your door, understanding how Conway's climate affects door materials and performance is the first step toward making a smart decision. Heat and humidity. The summer stress test. During the summer months, Conway sees average highs in the 90s with high humidity levels. This heat and moisture combination can warp or swell certain door materials, particularly wood. Over time, wooden doors may stick in the frame or become misaligned, making them difficult to open or close. The finish may also peel or crack due to UV exposure, leaving the wood vulnerable to further damage. Steel doors, while more resistant to warping, can also become extremely hot to the touch and may cause frame expansion. Fiberglass doors, which resist swelling and are more thermally stable, tend to perform better in hot and humid environments. Why it matters. Warped doors compromise your home's energy efficiency and security. If you notice drafts, sticky hinges, or gaps around the frame, your door may no longer be weathertight and should be inspected for replacement. Cold winters and thermal efficiency. Conway winters may not be brutal, but temperatures can dip into the 20s, and freezing nights are common. This seasonal change causes expansion and contraction of door materials, which can loosen seals over time. If your door lacks proper insulation or is made of lower quality materials, you may feel cold air seeping in, even when the door is shut tight. Older doors with single-pane glass inserts or insufficient weather stripping are especially vulnerable to winter inefficiency. Newer models, particularly those with a polyurethane core and energy-efficient glazing, offer much better insulation. Why it matters. A poorly insulated door can be responsible for significant heat loss. Replacing it with a modern, energy-efficient model can reduce your heating bills and keep your indoor climate more consistent. Storms and wind damage. Spring and fall bring storms, including high winds, hail, and heavy rain. In Conway, severe thunderstorms and even tornado threats are not uncommon. Older or poorly installed doors may not be equipped to handle these conditions. Loose hinges, cracked frames, or rotted materials can turn your door into a liability during severe weather events. Fiberglass and steel doors tend to fare better in storms due to their strength and resistance to moisture infiltration. A solid core and secure frame help resist impact and prevent wind from forcing the door open or ripping it off its hinges. Why it matters. Storm-ready doors protect your home from water damage, flying debris, and forced entry. If your current door shows signs of storm fatigue, like cracks, water damage, or rust, it may be time for a replacement. Seasonal maintenance and wear. The fluctuating temperatures and seasonal changes in Conway mean that your door is constantly under stress. Even if the damage isn't dramatic, repeated exposure to the elements causes gradual wear, worn weather stripping, faded paint, rusted hardware, and more. Modern doors are designed to minimize maintenance with durable finishes, composite frames, and better sealing technology. Replacing an aging door can save you hours of seasonal upkeep and reduce long-term repair costs. Why it matters. A newer door can save you time, reduce maintenance headaches, and offer better long-term protection against Conway's climate extremes. Final thoughts. When to consider replacement. If your door sticks, leaks air or water, looks weathered, or no longer feels secure, Conway's weather could be the culprit. A replacement door tailored to Arkansas's variable climate can improve energy efficiency, enhance curb appeal, and add an extra layer of protection to your home. Whether you're dealing with summer humidity, winter chills, or stormy skies, choosing the right door, installed by local professionals who understand Conway's weather patterns, can make all the difference.